Alright, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Here's your video for your second assignment that's due on Friday. This is going to be written on the right side of your notes. Power to a power review. When an exponential term is raised to a power, you distribute or multiply the exponent to each term. Please make sure that you write that down. Alright, and then we're going to divide our paper into 4, just like we did in the first assignment. And these will start out more mild and they'll get spicier. So this is to review exponent rules. So if I have the 2 on the outside as an exponent, I'm going to distribute it to each term on the inside of the parentheses, just like I did with combining like terms. The 4 and the a are both separate terms. So the 4 is going to get the 2, so 4 squared. And then you multiply the exponents of your previous terms, or your exponential terms. So then it's a to the 8 times 2. 4 squared is not 8. Please don't say 8. 4 squared is 4 times 4, which is 16. And then 8 times 2 is 16. And that should be a review from exponential rules. This one is 10 g to the 5th power to the 4th power. The 4 gets distributed to the 10 and to the g. 10 to the 4th power and g to the 5 times 4 power. 10 to the 4th power is really saying 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. Which is 10,000. G to the 20th. If you want to do this in your Desmos calculators, you just have to type 10 to the 4th power by using Shift and 6 on your keyboard. And your calculator knows how to do that. Alright, a little more medium. 9g to the 9th power, h to the 7th power, to the 2nd power. So we just have more terms here. The 2 gets distributed to everything. The 9, the g, and the h. 9 squared. G to the 9 times 2 is 18. I'm going to start skipping some steps here. And h to the 7 times 2 is 14. 9 squared, don't say 18, is 9 times 9, which is 81. G to the 18, h to the 14. Last one. 5, x to the 6th, y to the 7th, z to the 7th squared. Again, it's just adding more terms. The 5, the x, the y, and the z. 5 squared, x to the 6 times 2, not to the squared power, it's not 36. You multiply the exponent. 6 times 2 is 12. Y to the 7 times 2 is 14. Z to the 7 times 2 is 14. 5 squared is not 10, it's 5 times 5, which is 25. X squared, y to the 14, z to the 14. There you go.